April 4th, 2025. According to the UK Ministry of Defence, up to 80% of all battlefield casualties in the Russia-Ukraine war are caused by a single weapon, an FPV drone. Cheap components and mass production have turned it into the deadliest weapon of the 21st century. But it can be countered. This video covers the basic principles on how to counter, avoid, or destroy an FPV drone on a modern battlefield. It is based on real recommendations from two combat-experienced soldiers. Sashko, a sniper platoon commander from Ukraine's 53rd Separate Mechanized Brigade, and Sivdiv, a U.S. Marine Corps veteran with experience in both Iraq and Ukraine. To understand why drones are so dangerous, let's look at the front line. Today there is a so-called kill zone which covers 12 miles on each side, a zone where over 5,000 FPV drones are deployed daily. Once a recon drone spots a target, soldiers have minutes, sometimes seconds, before an FPV strikes at speed of 90 miles per hour. Even electronic warfare can no longer stop them since fiber optic drones use a physical cable instead of a radio signal, maintaining full control even underground. That changed modern assaults completely. At first, tank columns have been replaced by motorcycle raids, then horses, and now, small assault groups of just 3 or 2 infantry units. So how do you counter it? Let's start with the basics. Vehicle movement. Electronic warfare systems remain a must-have on any vehicle operating near the front line. Even though fiber optic drones are becoming more common, radio-controlled FPVs still make up the majority of threats. Anti-drone mesh cages are still useful. Those are cages mounted on the vehicle roof that catch or deflect an incoming FPV before it penetrates the cabin. Next, doors. They must open in under a second. Locks should be removed and windows always down so you can hear the drone. Handles have to be checked before every movement. If the doors aren't armored, it's a good idea to remove them entirely. A stuck door is the last thing you want when you see a drone flies toward you. Positioning is critical. The driver watches the road. The front passenger watches the sky ahead. Rear passengers cover the sides, and 2 shooters in the trunk, one covering the sky ahead while the second watches the rear. Together, they cover 360 degrees. The moment a drone is spotted, there is no chance to outrun it. The only right decision is to stop and disperse immediately, spread out and engage. Once the threat is neutralized, move fast, because the second drone is already in the air. The best weapon against an FPV drone is a shotgun, by far. Unlike a rifle, a shotgun spreads dozens of pellets across a wide area with a single shot, giving you a realistic chance of hitting a small, fast-moving target. Those are the basics for vehicle movement. While on foot, the same principles apply, but with a few additional rules. Dispersion is the first priority. A single FPV drone can take out an entire squad moving close together. Soldiers should always spread out. Hard cover should be identified before any movement. Any nearest building or basement would do the work. Trees are natural obstacles that force drone operators into high-risk maneuvers. Many drones simply crash before reaching the target. Weather is also important. Rain, fog, and low visibility significantly reduce drone effectiveness. When there's a choice, move in a bad weather. Since most drones lack high-quality thermal cameras that are effective during a daytime, some kind of ghillie suit is the best choice to hide from HD cameras. Though at night, even the cheapest thermal camera can detect body heat, making thermal camouflage a must. Decoys prove their effectiveness. An active radio transmitter left away from the actual route draws the drone's operator's attention, while the real movement happens in the opposite direction. If an enemy drone is shot down, there is chance to recover it. The frequency data inside can be passed to electronic warfare units, helping them to jam that same frequency across the entire sector. To sum up, surviving a drone today comes down to discipline, cover, and the right weapon. But the technology is evolving fast. For example, AI-powered sentry turrets are already in development across multiple militaries, stationary or vehicle-mounted systems with radar and computer vision that automatically detect, track, and shoot down incoming drones. The future of the front line will likely look like this. Nets over key infrastructure and supply routes combined with automated sentry systems covering the zero line. Because as drones get faster and smarter, the only reliable answer is kinetic. Shoot it down before it reaches you. FPV drones have changed warfare faster than any weapon in history. Their evolution is a classic sword and shield race playing out at hyperspeed, but the main rule remains the same: adapt or be targeted.